This is a jump starter and an air compressor all in one. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this portable jump starter. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So first off, I love how small this thing is. You can put it just about anywhere in your car. This is a 12-volt jump starter. And yes, we tested it on our Jeep and it will jump your car. It works. Not only can you jump your car or your lawnmower with this, you can also air up your tires. It has a nice LED screen on it showing you how much air pressure is in your tires, and you can set the PSI to inflate the tire to only what you need it to be, and then it's going to stop, which is an awesome feature. It also has multiple nozzles for the air, so you can inflate all kinds of things from tires to balls to different bike tires to pool floats. It has a really nice bright light on it as well, which comes in handy when you're working on your car. And you can use it as a charging bank for your phone as well. I love how small this is. You wouldn't think that this could charge a battery and jumpstart it, but it does. It's impressive that something this small can save you when no one is around to jump your car. It's compact, it can be stored just about anywhere, and it works great. If you're looking for a portable jump starter and mini air compressor for your emergency kit in your car, we recommend this.